Good morning from Lake Viviane. We're getting up early so that we could enjoy this.
Pretty amazing.
All right, breakfast this morning, the usual mocha, and we're gonna have taters again. Have a long downhill to not a lake. Yeah, this is the breakfast view. Beats looking at a computer monitor on Zoom calls. It wouldn't be a morning in the Corps without having a morning visitor. Well, we are just about packed up. Packs are a lot smaller today, which is be nice heading down this hill. But beautiful campsite. Finally, packs on, getting ready to head out. Last look at Viviane here. Goat left, she's over here. She just leaped up that in a single bound. So we just started on the trail and could smell smoke, and yeah, it's rolling in down below. Just made it through, we think, first of many. We are on dirt, at least for a little bit. We just looked up, so we were up there yesterday. That's where you come down, and those rebar steps are coming down that slab. So we've come down quite a bit. Trail we're on, it's a little bit of rock, a lot of dirt. We're switchbacking down, which has been nice. See the falls. We were up at that outlet way at the top. Now we're more in the trees. Yeah, that's nice. Bugs are still horrendous. Had to do a little granite butt sliding. I will say this, these REI pants, they have not batted an eyelash at everything we've handed to them this week.
This is some of the stuff on the easier part of the trail that we got to go across.
Feeling pretty good today for the most part. Those granite slabs, they've taken a pound of flesh off of both of us, that's for sure. Give us a little teaser, walk through the forest, cool us down, and then now we got another big drop. We just came, boot scooted down that. That was not fun. The trail gives you a little bit of reprieve from the sun, and a dirt path gives your knees a break. And then they pop you back out on the granite field. See, we got another one right up here. We just came down the upper Snow Lake down there. We probably got a half mile, 0.6 maybe. And see, this is what I'm telling you. So we got to get down there. Back through the forest. The raging rivers turn into a small creek. And I'm just really grateful that they gave us a big old log to cross. To my left, and you can see the lake. To the right, there's a waterfall cascade. Lake Inlet, Upper Snow Lake. Down the trail a little bit, and we pulled into this campsite. We're gonna have some snacks. We're starving. This nice campsite. Toilets, brand new toilets up the hill. Get some electrolytes in us, and Tasha's getting some water. This is the trail coming around the lake here. We're walking along this path. It's been really nice in the trees. We think that blue back there is Lower Snow Lake. And we're gonna stop there once we get across the dam and have lunch. I'm out of water. Dummy me didn't check it before we left our break area. There's Lower Snow Lake. Now we gotta find the upper outlet. Across the dam. So this is the dam. So trip reports from like 2 weeks ago said the water would overflow if not today. This is wide. The amount of logs out here is staggering. To my right is the inlet. Well, that was cool. Heard about the dam.
Yep. Lake to the dam.
Can check that off our list. Lunch today is tortilla, peanut butter and jelly, and probably the last of the chips. So I'm gonna pull up this rock here and eat some lunch. So I'm gonna get some water down here. Man, this water is so crystal clear. All right, just had lunch, hitting the trail. Not a lake from the dam. It's 1.7. And then we'd have another 6 miles out. I think we're leaning towards leaving right now. Heading uphill, we're like, oh, this is new since we've done so much downhill. We'll say that whoever designed this trail has been very consistent. Little forest, then some boulders. Little forest, then some boulders. Wow, this is pretty cool. Hey, hang on. Not a lake's coming into view. Look at this. Not a lake. Like it's a bowl. There's a sign for trail, so it looks like we swing way out, and then you can see the trail down below. Just came down that mess. Here's the inlet side of the lake. I'm getting ready, I think, to get into the trees a little bit. Yeah, now we're in a tree tunnel, thank God. That coming through the granite fields is hot. We're gonna try to find a pull-out spot, soak our feet. Both of us are getting hot spots because we put new socks on today. I think we're feeling pretty good to continue. Just trying to find a hotel room between Leavenworth and Wenatchee. So we got down here to not a lake in about an hour. Walked in and chilled our feet. We were overheating coming down, and we both got hot spots on our heels. The final vote, head into Leavenworth.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna hike the next 6 out. It'll be a 10-mile day. It's beautiful here at Not a Lake, so gonna sit in the sun and dry out. Not a Lake campsites are all at this, I think this is the north end. Looks like there's 3 or 4 in here, maybe more. Just passed 2 more campsites near the toilet. We were just talking about, oh, we must be done bouldering. Hope the trail stays like that. Yeah, no. Sitting on the rock right before we came in, this was a little pika, and he was actually just sitting there eking away. So we got a picture of him. That's pretty cool. That was a nice surprise. No boulder hopping. Right. Move it. Came down this section that's rocky. It was really dusty, I know, right? Trail, but it was really bushy. We're hitting this short, steep switchback section. Down we go. Little creek here and cool down. Coming off of Nada. It was hot. We were in the open quite a bit. Come and get some more water. Drink about a liter. Coming down. That's some Devil's Club right there. Both of us have blisters under our big toe and
Ready to be done.
ready to be done. So Natasha just spotted the road down there with the parking lot. Feeling a bit elated here, a little energy boost, but
Finally saw the road.
you're finally, I think at I think there's 6 switchbacks down to the parking lot. We're heading down. These are grueling because you just wish you could fly down to the parking lot and get out of your boots, because my dogs are barking. I think we crossed this bridge and we got a little climb out of here. So Sorry, I'm a little wobbly. I am like just physically spent right now. Really can't feel my feet. Okay, to the left. To the right. Uphill. Here's our last final few steps. There's the board, which means the parking lot, which means I can get these boots off. Nice it together. We're done. We did over 11 miles today, so we're gonna get the packs off, get the boots off, and head to Leavenworth. Hey, good morning from Leavenworth. We spent the night at this place called River's Ledge. Room's okay, it's clean. We just needed a place to crash and put our feet up and get a shower. Yeah, this is where we stayed. This is the time to visit Leavenworth, like 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, this Renaissance Cafe, delicious. It's a woman-owned business. It's pretty small, but really good service and food. So we got out of Leavenworth after spending about 4 hours at breakfast, walked around the art show, and then went shopping a little bit.